Hi YouTubers, and welcome back to my channel Metaverse Digital Generations. Do you want to learn how to do it? Without ever displaying my face when recording or making videos, I am now over 1 million subscribers on YouTube. And, I know it sounds weird, but I'd like to offer you a completely free seminar where I'll show you how to succeed on YouTube without ever having to reveal your face. While I cannot guarantee that you will gain over 1 million subscribers, I can assure you that you will learn the exact same strategies that I use to run 9 separate YouTube channels in my YouTube business. I have over 1 million subscribers on one channel and over 100,000 subscribers on several other channels, and I'd like to show you how I did it. I'll show you the finest niches for generating tons of videos in a short amount of time. And, most crucially, how to gain millions of views on your movies without spending a lot of money up front. This does not even necessitate any technical knowledge. And if you look at the folks that are currently flashing over your screen, they are all people who have had success with this strategy. While I can't guarantee these outcomes, I can guarantee that you'll learn the same exact strategies they're employing. And how do I know that? Because they all attended the same free seminar that I'm offering you to attend today. So, if you'd like to join the free training, I'm excited to show you this truly unique way that you won't find anywhere else online. I'm confident you'll find it really useful. I'm looking forward to meeting you during the free training. Please don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to this channel. For I have more great videos to come on how to really make more money online. Thanks to you all for your support. Click the link below these descriptions now, and we'll see you there.